Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're taking a look here at Combo, seeing what's going on. Pretty straightforward. We're going to take a look at some Fibonacci retracement levels. There's also a double top pattern we want to talk about, and of course, a slight pullback potentially to lower Fibonacci retracement levels based on Elliott wave, and just kind of help understand what we're looking at here with this double top. So if you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I love to teach people to trade. I really hope you can learn something here today. If you do want to become a better trader, CryptoCash.tech is a site, link down below. We have a lot of new members coming over to our Discord here, but regarding the Crypto Cash Premium, basically just an option for you to be able to kind of follow my signals. I send out trade signals. We took 22% from Algorand in 14 days. Lena did 14% in 12 days, but more important, Blue Zell 163% in 9 days. Keep in mind these are just 5x leverage trades. A lot of our members are using 10 to 20x as well and just killing it. So again, be careful with that. Low leverage, low position size is always a recommendation, but if you want to become part of that, link down below. We do have a promotion going right now for our Crypto Cash Premium and Premium Plus. So with this combo, whatever you want to call it, this coin is looking like it really wants to take off, okay? So let's do ahead and take a look at the larger time frames and work our way down and just kind of see what's going on here. So as we can kind of see, we got this little resistance level that was just broken, okay? So you can kind of see here, 0.5 in Fibonacci, previous resistance level here, 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 and now broken, okay? Now, does that ensure the price will not pull back below that level? Not quite, no. It just helps us understand that should be a bouncing point right there at 0.5 in Fibonacci, okay? So that'd be a good entry target, essentially, as a rough estimate, in most cases when you're looking to buy at the next dip, right? So we'll go ahead and take a look at that. What we also want to look at would be, well, a few things here. TD sequential, we got a nice little reset, so we don't have any overextension per se. RSI is up over 50, but below 70. Much more room for growth there. No specific resistances in place. We can also see if we take a look at some liquidity, we just swept that level of liquidity there, so a pullback makes perfect sense. And a lot of times when you have those kind of gaps there, you could see a range either down here or up here for the buy side and sell side liquidity. So bottom line here is that both, the price is performing the way that it should. But what we could see happen here is a bounce off that 0.5 right there at about 50. I'm going to round up a little bit and say about 58 cents. So 58 cents could be a nice little bouncing point there for us. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the volume profile and see. We have the second most amount of volume right here at about 57 cents. Okay, so that was a previous resistance level. Now that we've broken through that level, it could be a new support. I'm going to emphasize the word could be, because the fact of the matter is we haven't officially closed on this daily candle yet. Okay, we got 7 hours left, 7.5 hours. So in that circumstance right now, we can anticipate it's going to bounce, but if it doesn't, then it won't. Okay, I know that seems kind of contradictory or just kind of obvious maybe, but the bottom line here is that we need a closure above that level in order to have confirmation the price is going to continue higher. Okay. I like to trade with confirmation. That's what increases my success rate. So I do recommend waiting and being patient. But here's some positive consolation. We got both moving averages. The price is finally back up above that. If you look at its history, it's rare for the price to be above the 50-day and the 20-day simple moving average concurrently. We don't have the 200 just yet because this trading pair, at least on this perpetual futures contract we're looking at, doesn't have that. But once more, we are in a situation right now where combination on this specific exchange, Binance perpetual contracts, we are looking at the moving averages being below the price action, which is a very positive sign. Look at the 4-hour too. We can see we are above all three as well. We got this nice ascending trend. So oftentimes you can see the 20-day SMA working its way upward with the trend line. Okay, so that's a very positive sign. So the fact of the matter is here, we've broken above this previous resistance level. We are likely consolidating at this level here at 0.5 to 0.382, and the probability of the price going up from here is higher than it going down. Okay, once again, we got a lot of volume support at this range, and it makes a lot more sense for the price to be able to sustain itself and not drop below that level based on those factors. Just know we did sweep that liquidity, so a pullback makes sense, but this is probably the only pullback we're going to see. My speculation is this coin is going to continue higher. Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see that RSI is up over 50, below 70. That's a perfect sweet spot. MACD is starting to lose its momentum. Makes sense because we are on this continuation here, this upward momentous trend. But once again, the trend is your friend. Until it discontinues, you got to assume it's going to continue. Okay, so all in all, 4-hour time frame looks fairly bullish. This is a good transitionary time frame, helping us know that the daily will become more so bullish in the relative near future. So what does that mean for us here? Well, on the hourly, we can see just a small handful of things. I like to double check a couple things here. So we're above the cloud, conversion line's above the baseline, and the lagging span's free and clear of price action. Those are all positive signs. You do just got to recognize that we are losing momentum, so the price action could very well come lower here. But the truth here is that these moving averages, which are built into the cloud, are essentially consolidating below the price action. So ideally, in a perfect world, the price stays here and goes up, and then we're in perfect shape. Okay. If the price goes sideways and then down, we start losing this trend line here, then we're going to be in a situation where we may want to cancel or close our trade. But for right now, combo looks pretty much poised and ready to take the next leg up. Okay, so we're looking for really strong for this coin. I would recommend, again, low position size, low leverage. That's what we do, and that's how we survive these markets. If you want to thrive, of course, you can increase your leverage amount. You just got to ensure that you are taking a good position, because the higher the leverage, the closer your stop loss liquidation level is, and the easier it is to lose that trade. So please, please, please do not be one of those folks that just gets crazy hardcore because you see other folks doing really well. We have a lot of good traders in our community here, and I think it's recommended to use lower leverage. Even this 25x is a little high in my opinion. But once more, we've got some really good traders here, and again, we like to celebrate the small stuff. So all this stuff is available here with our communities, and you can see here with our Premium Plus, we do have a nice consistent, 5 to 10% trades taken fairly consistently. Good 6 to 7 hours would be the average time frame that these trades are taken and held. Okay, again, just some information there if you want, but a lot of cool stuff over on our Discord here. We have a good time, and it's a great community there. So really appreciate everybody there. If you want to kind of be part of something greater here as well, we've got our Telegram and Twitter as also all linked down below here for you to make sure that we keep you abreast on everything. I like to provide you with playout charts too, which are nice. These are available on both Discord, Telegram, and Twitter. Just kind of giving you details on when I review a coin, what it's going to look like, where it could go from there. So I hope that this made sense and you learned something here today. If you did, comment below, let me know. I'd love to hear it. And again, be careful of scammers. Anybody that's trying to impersonate me, I'll never direct message you first, so just a quick heads up on that. And obviously, again, if you want some good benefits with some of our promotionals, we do have really good things here in our referral links section with some nice bonuses if you're looking at changing your exchanges or updating things. BingX is fantastic if you're in the US and you got hit with KYC recently. BitGet's good if you're outside of the US and you want a good solid exchange. Both are my favorites, and you can go ahead and use the links below for that. That's all I got. All right, we'll go ahead and check this out again here soon. Thanks again for the request. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.